Good morning, Shalom, Israel. JD Nija here with another quick one. Just wanted to check in and say, hey, you know, part of what this shift of consciousness is doing, this coming of, before I get started, all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shai. Surf's not as good as I thought it was going to be. I'm kind of just wandering the beach, waiting to see if the tide drops out. All praises to Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Rakakodash. This energy that Yahweh Shai is bringing, this new unfolding, it's really something. It's going to be important to be in nature and be in creation. And I'm sure some of you are having a hard time staying in the house. That's a good sign. That means you're breaking away from the style of this world, the comfort of four walls and all that. It's not the comfort we thought it was. The comfort is going to be coming from this word and from the truth. So there's nothing more true than God's creation. You know, the Word, He is the Word, and the Word became flesh, and the Word became everything. He spoke it into existence. And that's going to be probably something we see more and more of. People that are actually open to moving forward in this truth. Go, girl. Are going to probably be outside more. The birds and the bees and the plants and the trees are all going to sing out in unison. So, just a quick one. I want to catch some waves. I wanted to check in with you guys. Israel, go with your heart. Go with what is true and real, and try and put away the fake stuff. The cares of this world and the lust of the eyes and the lust of the flesh and the things that aren't profitable. Because if you hang on too tight to some of that stuff, the pain and the energy shift is going to be harder to get through. So the pure as you can get. I'm not talking about the law. I'm talking about in your own spirit. The law's done. We're in liberty. So don't take your liberty to commit more sin. Take your liberty to do right and to speak right and to speak truth. All right, Israel. Shalom. JD Nija. Early Tuesday morning here at Rincon. Peace and salutations to all who are working with this truth and pushing it. I hope the sound of the waves didn't disturb the video too much. All right. JD Nija out.